Hi everyone, and welcome back to Put Your Makeup On, where we find our beauty within. Yes, you are beautiful. Before we get into today's topic, be sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and give me a thumbs up as well. It helps me out a lot more than you know. Today is gonna be all about blush. Blush, baby, blush. My most used blush in my collection at the moment. My favorite blush that I like to wear on an everyday basis. If you want to know what it is, find out now on Put Your Makeup On.
1, 3, 4.
So if I had to choose one thing that would go on my face, it would be blush. Blush, blush. I love saying it. I love wearing it. It makes me feel alive. It makes me feel happy. It's blush. I love blush so much. Can't you tell? One blush that is my most used in my collection is this one from Tarte. Oh yes, we are talking about the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blushes. But not just any clay blush. This shade in particular, I love the name of it. Are you ready? The name of the shade is Party. I can't say it. Like party. Like from like that Bridesmaids movie. I'm getting ready to party. That is the name of this blush, and if you don't believe me, that is the spelling of it. P with like 3 or 4 A's, party. So that is the blush we are talking about today. So I really love the Amazonian clay blushes, not only because of the colors, but because of the lasting power. Amazonian clay, which is the ingredient, hence the name, actually helps control the oil and increases the moisture levels in your skin. I can honestly say whenever I wear this blush, whether it's summer, winter, any season, I don't have to worry about my blush fading throughout the day, which I find awesome. Some blushes in my collection, I feel 3-4 hours later, I'm like, where did it go? But this blush, I can get through a full workday, going out to lunch, going out shopping, really anywhere for a couple of hours worth. This blush does not move on my skin whatsoever. I feel like if you are living in a very hot, humid climate, or even if you're in a dry climate in general, no matter what skin type you are, whether you're oily, dry, sensitive, more mature skin, whatever the case may be, I feel like these blushes would be absolutely worth your while for a lasting power. Now, the shade that I am talking about again today is the shade Party. So as you can see, it's very well loved in my pan here. I definitely had to hit pan on it a while ago, and for good reason, because I do, of course, wear this a lot on an everyday basis almost. If you go on Sephora.com, this blush technically is labeled as a nude, but personally I feel it's a little bit more pink, in my opinion. If you have a similar skin tone to me, or maybe a little bit lighter than me, I feel this would run a little bit more pinky on you. Of course, with that being said, it will, of course, will look different if you are, of course, a much different skin tone than I am. So definitely keep that in mind when you are looking up this blush. And the best part is I really enjoy this blush with no matter what color lips I'm wearing. As you can see, I have on a red orangey shade on my lips, and like, it still kind of works. I've worn this color with nudes and reds and hot pinks and warm pinks, and I like it because, again, it always works. You could use it with your fingers and apply it that way. You can use a little disposable sponge and apply it that way, and it totally works. I've done that before on clients. You can use a nice fluffy brush where it picks up a good amount of product and evenly disperses it on the skin. So that's another reason why, again, I like these blushes, because they're so easy to apply no matter your skill set. Blush, in my opinion, no matter if you're a beginner, learning about makeup, you have extensive advanced knowledge on blush or makeup in general, this blush is perfect literally for anyone and everyone. I love these blushes. I think they're worth it. Now, this is the mini size that I am showing in today's video. Of course, now the full size you can get now on Sephora.com for $29. Now, you may say to yourself, Katie, that's a little pricey for a blush. But keep in mind, my opinion, I feel you're not going to go through the blush that fast. Again, for a blush that you love, I love it. I think you will love it as well. I feel like getting a blush that's worth so much more, I think is worth it. You know what I mean? So those are the reasons why I love the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. I love saying that name. If you are interested in purchasing this blush for yourself, go ahead and check out the link in the description box down below. And also, I would love to know, what is your favorite blush of all time? What blush do I need in my life? What do you love to wear? I want to know. Comment down below. Let's get a makeup chat happening. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It means the world to me that you're watching and taking time out of your day to watch me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in next week's video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!